Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to finding TikTok after deleting the app and the easy recovery tutorial. So I will be just on my iOS device, and if you have delete your TikTok, so you will just reinstall TikTok from the App Store, or if you have Android, so you will just open the Google Play Store and search for the TikTok. So I will just open the App Store, and in the search bar I will just write it like TikTok, and when it's completely done, so I will just already download it. So if you just deleted recently, so you will just reinstall the application right over here, and when you just download it, so you will just simply open the TikTok application, and you will just log into your account, and you will just enter your username or email or phone number. You will also use like login with the Google or Facebook or Apple ID. So you will just select that option to sign in. So in this way you will just recover your account easily after deleting. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified